This video will show you how to use the TradeProfina Scanner to find out the high volatility securities that had a recent buy or sell signal. Let's take the buy scanner as an example. As can be seen, the TradeProfina buy scanner has 3 filters. The first filter defines the price range. The second filter defines the volume range. The third one is a customized algorithm filter that defines the TradeProfina buy condition. Firstly, users can define the scanner pool in the setup. As shown in the chart, users can scan the stocks, the futures, or the forex, etc. Let's choose all stock as the scanner pool, and click the scanner button on the right side. The result is listed on the bottom of the scanner in a second. In this example, the result is list of 46 stocks. To further refine the result, we can change the price filter or the volume filter. For example, we can increase the minimum price from $5 to $10. Let's do it to find out how it changes the result. We increase the minimum price from $5 to $10, and click the scan button again. The result is reduced from 46 stocks to 35 stocks, which means there are 11 stocks filtered out by the price range we just changed. We can also add more filters to refine the result further. As an example, let's add a high volatility filter to pick out the stocks that had increased volatility recently. Click the Add Filter button on the top right of the scanner, and choose Steady in the drop-down menu. A new filter will be added, and let's set it to be a high volatility filter. Let's define the change of the volatility to be 5%. Let's also change the time frame to 30 minutes, so the scanner will find the securities that had a buy signal in the last 30 minutes. Click the scan button again. Wait a second for the scanner to find out the result. We can see there is only one stock in the list of the result now. This stock is DSPG. Let's switch to the stock chart to take a look at this stock. Type DSPG and click the Enter button. This is 30 minutes bar chart for DSPG. Since it is found by the buy scanner with 30 minutes time frame setup, it had a buy signal at the last 30-minute bar, as can be seen on the chart. If we take a look at the historical buy and sell signals, and mark the historical trades on the chart, we can see there were 3 trades in the past 5 weeks. Each of the 3 trades are marked as an arrowed white line. The beginning of each line is the entry of the trade, and the end of each line is the exit of that trade. The overall profit of the 3 trades is around 21%. That means the buy and sell signals were set up very well for this stock, and we're good to open a long position following the recent buy signal at the last bar.